Yeah, come here, come here. Baba, this is fresh. No formalin, only Benaulim fishermen can catch this. Guarantee fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, only Benaulim people.
No formalin.
Yeah, no
No
formalin. Also, you talk little bit.
Okay.
Talk.
Dog.
Fresh fish.
Yeah.
Caught by the local fishermen of Benaulim.
Yeah.
No formalin present in this.
Yeah.
This is Pele.
Yeah.
I am a green guy.
Yeah, say, people should eat
People
this.
should eat this fish, not
Yeah.
the fish brought from Karnataka
Yeah, look.
and Orissa and Bihar.
Wow. Look, we have enough fish in Goa. We don't need to bring from outside. This Goan should eat healthy, my friends. All the best. Thank you, Jesus, giving us enough fish this year. We love you.